Hello Macro Geeks, it's Mike Moats here today, and today I want to talk about my new photo bag. This is the ThinkTank Mirrorless Mover 30. Now about 2 years ago I went to a mirrorless system. I have the Fuji X-T30 Mark II and I have the Tamron 18-300 lens on that body, and I really love this new more compact system. Now it's half the size of my DSLR Nikon D7500, so I don't need as big of a photo bag. So I looked at ThinkTank systems, found the Mirrorless Mover series, which has 5 different sizes, and again this is the Mirrorless Mover 30, and I found that this particular size bag is perfect for what I need, and I just love having a more compact system when I'm traveling, especially on airplanes. Alright, let's take a look at it. So on the front here you got a flap system. Opens up. There are magnets here on the corners, and that will lock down on the magnets, so let's open that up. Has a zipper pocket in the front. Now I like to use the ThinkTank pouches. They sell these different size pouches, and I put little larger items in this pouch, and the back here you've got some zippers here for smaller items. Now in the bag here, on the front here, down on the bottom, you have 3 openings for your SD cards, and then you have pockets all along the back here. Now I have some tweezers I carry, for flower photography. You might do some little things, got to pick out things out of a flower that might be in there we can't get our fingers in. Maybe some scissors if you need to trim something. Over here I've got a multi-tool. You need to repair something on your tripod or whatever. A little brush, so if I want to clean off the front of my lens, maybe some dust or dirt, clean my lens. And then it's got this little tag here that comes out with a hook on it. You want to maybe put your keys or something on there. And then it's got a pocket back here to hold a little rain jacket, so you can put over there in case it's raining over top of your bag. Keep your bag dry. And that just fits in that little pocket right there. Okay, so let's zip this back up and move on into the center of the bag. Got a zipper here that will unzip this top portion and expose the inside. Alright, top here you see there's another zipper pocket, and I put my lens cloth in there. I have a lens cloth for cleaning my lenses. And then inside here, as you can see, there's 3 openings. They do have another divider in case you want to have 4 openings, but I only need 3. So my camera goes right here in this opening, and you can see how big that lens is, and that fits right down in there, and there's enough depth there where I don't have any issues. And the width of the camera is perfect, even with my my L bracket on there, fits in there perfect. In the center here you could do one of 2 things. You could carry a second lens if you want. This is a macro lens, or I've also had another little compact camera that I would fit in there. And then this is my Hoodman loop, which I use for viewing the back of my LCD on my camera if it's a bright day and I can't see the LCD. And I also carry my diffuser, the most important tool for a macro photographer, diffusing your subjects. So plenty of room in there for the gear that I need to carry. That's all I really carry. And then let's just sit this back up. On the side here, you've got a stretchable type pocket here. Maybe you want to put a small water bottle, or you could even carry a separate little camera in there if you wanted to. And then there's another pocket on this side over here. All right, the little clips here are for your strap. You got your strap too. And on the back here, it has a area that you can put a belt through. So if you have a belt system from ThinkTank, you can run the belt through here, carry it on your side. So excellent little camera bag. Again, this is the Mirrorless Mover series, and this is the Mirrorless Mover 30. So go to ThinkTank, check them out.